Feels unreal.
Buy a car. That's right, this is happening. We have the entire family, and rather than going to a beach for spring break, we are going on a special trip for the next 8 days. We're going to Tokyo, Japan. This is the beginning. It's early in the morning, and we're gonna be traveling for the next like 24 hours or something. So here we go. It's a travel day. Starts here in Salt Lake, and it's gonna end in beautiful Narita, Japan. Ready to go to Japan?
Not really.
What's your favorite thing about the Portland airport?
It's carpet.
The carpet. It's pretty good looking.
It's fantastic.
What do you think Japan's gonna be like?
Jellyfish.
What did you bring with you?
Ellie.
Ellie the elephant asked to come to Japan. Oh, and your phone to take pictures? Let me show you what's on your phone. Oh look, it's Lady Gaga jumping off of the building. I can't believe this is happening right now. We are getting on the plane to go to Tokyo. Just our family to Tokyo for a week. This is so cool. Look at them all getting on there. And there's Leslie. Are you ready to go to Tokyo?
I'm so ready.
You ever been to Tokyo?
No, never.
Don't know what we're getting ourselves into. We don't speak Japanese or anything, but here we go. Welcome to Japan, we made it. It's 2 in the afternoon, which is like 4, but look. Welcome to Japan. London, you survive? You okay? No? We are trying to figure out how to get to our hotel. We were going to take the train, but the line was too long to get tickets, and London's really tired. So we were going to take a taxi, but then the taxi line was only for people going to Tokyo. And then so they sent us to the Narita taxi line, but they only had little cars, and they said we had to take the van. But then the van is a timed schedule thing, and we don't want to wait for that. So we're going with Uber. We're waiting for Uber right now. Lincoln's got a cool backpack set up. He's got his Beam penny board underneath it, and then he can lay down and roll. Claire's still got Teddy, the teddy bear over here. How you feeling, Claire?
Tired.
First thoughts about Tokyo.
It's hot.
It's hot? What are your thoughts about Tokyo?
I'm glad
so
it's
far?
not humid.
Yeah, it doesn't
Really
feel very
glad about
humid.
that. And people are super nice.
People are really nice, and there's cherry blossoms. We already saw some at the airport, so heading to the hotel. Hopefully we can make it there, and we'll see what else happens today. So apparently today is probably one of the last days the cherry blossoms will be going, and then they're going to be coming off pretty soon. And so we just barely made it, so that's good. Even though we're jet lagged, at least we, yeah, lucky.
You guys are lucky.
This is our hotel beds. This is our pajamas they gave us. There's the view out the window. Got a bunch of construction guys right down there. And then I don't know why, but my nose is bleeding on the end. I'm sorry if this entire vlog I've had a red dot on my nose, kind of like Rudolph. But the plan is we're gonna go to sleep. I kind of messed up on the rooms. I wanted a place that's close to the airport that we could sleep and just get some good rest in. And I didn't realize I booked a smoking room. Like, who does smoking these days? In America, there aren't very many hotels that have smoking rooms. Good morning. It's not really morning. I guess it is. It's like 3, 4 in the morning. How'd you sleep, Claire? She's happier. Look outside. Totally dark. But in the distance, there's a McDonald's. You guys ready? Oh, look how nice you look. Wow. Look at Mama. Easter Sunday looking fancy.
No, it's actually Saturday.
It's not Saturday. It's Saturday in America. It's Easter Sunday. Nobody's here. I hope we can get out and in. Oh, there's somebody out there. Okay, we're going. We're getting out of here. There's nobody out here. Let's go this way. Come on. Across the street. Let's go. Let's go. It's so quiet in Japan. Do you hear how quiet it is? The first thing of the day is to go find breakfast. So we found a McDonald's at the train station that's open 24 hours a day. This is pretty cool. There's not very many people out at this late at night. There's the police driving by, checking in on us. There should be enough seats for us. There's 111 of them.
How are we going to talk to the people in there?
Just say everything in Japanese. One curious thing about McDonald's, people are just here sleeping. Like, is this what you do? Do you go to McDonald's to sleep in the middle of the night if you don't have an apartment? Check it out. These are the pancakes. Do you see how tiny these are? Leslie got a big water for breakfast.
I did. It's ginormous.
It's like a shot of water. I got a double cheeseburger and fries. Oh, you eating my fries? How are they, Lincoln?
They're good, the fries.
Oh, you're eating my fries? All right, food is gone. I still don't understand why there's so many people that are asleep in here. It's kind of weird. I don't really get it. It's kind of strange. So the sun comes up in about 30 minutes, so we're gonna go somewhere and watch sunrise. We're walking around the city right now.
And we're jumping!
And London's jumping, she's so happy. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the temple place and check it out. The city is very quiet. This town's quiet. Even when there's people out, it's pretty quiet during the daytime. Oh, there's 7-Eleven. Oh, do we need anything at 7-Eleven? Do they have Slurpees? Let's just go see if they have Slurpees. Here she goes. She's been wanting us, she's for some reason wanting to do this. Wow, London, that was cool.
Freaky.
I can confirm there are no Slurpees at 7-Eleven Japan. What? What? Oh, wow.
Why is there a monkey?
This monkey is for if you rub his head 3 times, 2, 3, then you have good health.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
I don't
Rub it.
believe you.
Well, then you're the one that's sick, so. Did you rub it, London?
No.
Oh no, you need good health.
I did.
Oh, good. Pocari Sweat. There it is. It's our favorite drink.
Yeah!
So bizarre.
It's like Gatorade. This is my favorite street in Japan that I've ever been to. It's not that far from the airport. If you ever have a layover, you can take the Narita Express train here. It takes 10 minutes. And then you just walk down the street, and we're getting close to the temple right now. You can kind of see the top of it over here, the Buddhist temple. Everybody's asleep, so we're trying to be respectful and quiet. Because Japan, it is all about the respect here. What do you think so far about Japan, Leslie?
I love that we're up so early because I'm sure it feels peaceful during the day, but it feels just so pretty and unique, and I think it's a great place to visit.
We're at the temple right now. There are some people that have been praying and bowing, and so I've been turning the camera off. But we're trying to be respectful, but it's so peaceful and beautiful here. And I love that people come here on Sunday at 5 in the morning. This big balloon thing. What's in there?
It's like a dragon or something.
I can't believe like all these trees like that it's able to stay like that.
Yeah, like how long have they been here? There's
Amazing.
hurricanes, typhoons that come through here.
It feels unreal. Yeah.
Wow, we just went to the Buddhist temple, the shrine, and there were monks in there, and they were making their chants, and they had fire and smoke, and everybody was dressed up and kneeling. It was pretty amazing, and definitely it's not something that I wanted to film, but you could feel the spiritual side of things, and that people were putting out their calls in the morning. It's something special to be here. If you're ever in Japan, come to one of these temples early in the morning, and I guarantee you'll feel peace and happiness, like the souls of all those that have passed on. It's a very respectful place. So right here, these are cherry trees, but we just missed it by a few days. All of these were probably blossoming right here. It is so beautiful here. There's just the roots, right? Look how deep they are. Go stand by it, Lincoln, so we can see how tall these are. Didn't you rub the monkey's head 3 times?
Yes.
gosh, this is like fake. Guys, I've never been anywhere more beautiful than this.
What if the cherry blossom growth on this?
The sun's rising right now. You can see the sun coming up. And this path is beautiful.
Dandelion and one's named Oreo. The black and white one's Oreo,
I
and
would think the black and white one would be Oreo.
the yellow and white one is Dandelion.
Finished up our trip here. We wandered all through the forest, through a few different temples. There's a giant pagoda behind us right now. This was cool. All right, thoughts. How'd you guys like it here?
I
It's
thought,
pretty.
I thought it was one of the most like peaceful and beautiful places I've ever been to.
Nice. I agree with you. Good. That's what I was hoping. That's why I wanted to
It
come on this
was.
trip.
It really was.
This was the main place I wanted to take you the whole time. I was like, let's go to
Doesn't feel-
Japan.
It really doesn't feel real.
You're supposed to drink this water, but I'm not sure why it says hot dog. So yes, I've seen this. I've seen this at temples before, where people drink out of the mountain spring, and it brings them health or long life or something. Here we go. Blinking out of the community drinking well since he's sick. But yeah, either we're all gonna be totally blessed with fortune and health, or we're all gonna have diarrhea all night. It's one or the other.
I have a bad case of diarrhea. I have a bad case of diarrhea.
And this concludes our trip to the temple. All right, we have a good idea. We went to the 7-Eleven earlier and they had a bunch of treats. So we decided we don't have much to do for the next 4 or 5 hours till we check out of our hotel other than get donuts at 10 o'clock. But we are gonna go to the 7-Eleven and buy a bunch of unique Japanese treats, and I think we'll just make a full-on video of us taste testing it. But for the rest of today, we are gonna go to our new hotel, which is much different than here. It's at Disneyland. I'm just gonna conclude this video from all of the travel from Utah to here, because it's basically been a full day, even though we slept, because we got here and we were tired and we went and did stuff. So hope you liked day one. We've got Disneyland coming up. We have some really fun things going on. And we're gonna show you all the things we can about Tokyo.
I have a bad case of diarrhea. I have a bad case of diarrhea. I have a bad case of diarrhea. I have a bad case of diarrhea.